What's going on, everyone? Chef Nathan Lippy here. Now, here at Blackstone, we do our best to keep track of everyone out there in the Griddle Nation. I mean, we have some really good content creators.
We have good adventures to go on.
We've got a ton of good recipes for you guys to follow.
We always have a good time.
And obviously, we have good jokes. No, I said comedy. And we have good comedy. Obviously.
And now we have some good groceries. Hey everyone, I'm Matt Hussey. I'm excited to announce my new show on the Blackstone YouTube channel. Woo-wee! It's going to be some good groceries, y'all. Hey, you will not want to miss the content, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any content at all. I'm looking forward to it. It's time for some good groceries. Some good groceries.